Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So in my last video I had shared with you all an L-glutathione cream, and today I'm going to be sharing with you all a mask of L-glutathione, and this is a very lightweight mask. Very light on the skin. It's a sleep mask which you can use it overnight and then wash your face in the morning. So we'll quickly go ahead and make this one. Now I have both my faces here, my water face and my oil face. In my water face I have taken my water, I have taken some glycerin, and I have added my gelling agent here. I have taken carbomer. You can use any other gelling agent of your choice, and you can see this lovely gel that is created to give a very nice soft spread to your mask on the skin, and with a very gentle effect. And here in my oil face I have my waxes, I have my emulsifier, I have a blend of oils, very hydrating and moisturizing for the skin. Here I have my L-glutathione powder which I have weighed out and taken, and here I have some arrowroot powder. Since this is a mask and it's a very gentle mask, I'm not making a clay mask, it's a very gentle sleep mask. Arrowroot powder is one of the best powders which can be kept overnight on the skin to remove all the grease, excess oil from the skin. So we'll quickly go ahead and heat our water and our oil phase. So I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now I'll go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase, and we'll go ahead and give this a blend. Okay, so I've gone ahead and blended everything nicely. If you all can see how beautifully this has blended. So this is how it looks right now, a lovely gel consistency. And now we'll go ahead and add our L-glutathione powder to this, and this will thin out a little, but it will thicken once the solution cools down. Okay, so I've just kept the solution to cool down for around 10 minutes after adding my L-glutathione mixture. And now this is nicely thickened after some time because of all the waxes and thickeners that we've added. And now I'll go ahead and add my arrowroot powder to this, and we'll give it a nice mix so that everything combines well. You can also use your blender to blend in this so that everything combines well. I'm also adding my preservative to this, and then I will give this a final blend. Okay, so I have gone ahead and blended the arrowroot powder also very well in this, and you can see the beautiful consistency, the nice mask consistency that this has, which will spread very nice and stay very well on the skin. I'm just adding 2 to 3 drops of fragrance. This is optional. If you want to add, you can add it, or you can skip the fragrance, and we'll mix it. And I am going to be sharing a basic mask, overnight sleep mask formulation with you all in the description box for beginners who would like to make these and try them out. But for the more advanced ones, the ones with L-glutathione, as I already informed you all, it needs a lot of stabilizers to stabilize these formulations. So these are all done during our workshops. Anyone interested in learning how to make these commercially, to sell them, to have your own brand, you can definitely WhatsApp me on the number given in the description box and join the workshops. And I will just show you how smooth and beautiful this mask is when you apply it on the skin. It has that lovely gel consistency to it because of the gelling agent that we've added. And this is an overnight sleep mask which can be put on your skin. You can leave it overnight and wash it the next day, and very effective for skin brightening and skin lightening. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much everyone.